Doobity-doop-doop-doobity-doo, it's me!
Hey guys, it's Bri and welcome back to my channel. So today's video for you guys is actually going to be something really quick, nothing super complicated. It's going to be me showing you guys how I do my eyebrows every day. I kind of stick to the same eyebrow routine and I always use the same product, so it's nothing too unexpected. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and so the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and kind of prime my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. gel set. Now this is for eyelashes, this is for eyebrows, and I'm just going to be taking that and putting that on my eyebrows before I start anything else. Just combing it through. This just kind of provides a nice base before I actually go in and start applying any gel to my brows. The next thing that I'm going to do is take and outline my brows. This is something that I like to do so I can kind of stay within the lines when I'm applying my gel. So for me, it's really important to just do this so that way if I mess up, it's easier to do. Most people conceal their brows after they, fill them in. I kind of do that step beforehand. So I'm going to be taking the Sassy and Chic foundation in the color medium. And I'm going to be taking this cute little brush here that I got in a set from the Hush app, which was I think like a $10 set. I really love these brushes. And I'm just taking a little bit of it, not too much really and truly, and just gonna outline the top and bottom half of my mouth. Using the foundation. I've been doing it more recently and it actually really makes my brows come out. So the next thing we're gonna do is actually go ahead and fill in the brows. Taking this little brush here, which I got from Wish as well, and but I got it from Wish, and I'm gonna be taking this brow gel. Now I'm out of the powder, as you can see, but this is the gel, and this is from Walmart. I'm not really sure how much this one costs, but I really like it because it looks really good with my hair color. And so we're just taking a little bit of that. You see, it's really not that much product that you need, and this is going to be for one brow. And go ahead and do it the same way on the other side. Now this brow, for me, is thicker than the other one, so my brows come out to be kind of different shapes, but not really, if that makes any sense. Like this one always comes out, I guess, more thick, and this one comes out more defined. It's so annoying, but whatever. And now we're going to go ahead and take this brush back again, the brush that I used to first conceal my brows. I'm going to take that and actually kind of fade the center of my brow. I don't know why, I just like that look. It kind of gives it more of a natural look, I guess. So just go ahead and I'm just kind of brushing in the foundation upwards in a slow motion. Not really slow motion, but a slowish. My parents are arguing in their bathroom. It's very fun. Then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild's concealer brush and actually go in and just conceal the entire area. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of blend in the foundation around my brows. Once you do this step, you kind of can stop right after this, but I like to just go ahead and continue with one more step, just to make sure that my brows are perfect. It's literally 2018. You don't judge people based on their character anymore, you judge them based on their eyebrows. I'm going to go back in with the e.l.f. clear gel. That's still bloody hot. I have my hair straightener on the counter and I unplugged it a while ago, but it's still hot and I just kind of hit my fingertip. And we're just going to gel and go in the center where we kind of faded the brows before, just to create a nice, sharp fade. I don't know. And then finally I'm taking my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, not using the actual gel that's within it. I'm just going to be brushing, like kind of shaping in a sense my eyebrows. I've already applied the gel. I'm just kind of going back over, making sure everything is like filled in. Now, as you guys can tell, I can't see very well. You guys know I wear glasses, so it's kind of like, ooh, let's see if I look crazy on camera. I think I do. I'm just going to go back in a little bit on my left brow and fill that in just a little bit more at the bottom here. Now, normally, that voice crack, I'm going through puberty, Mom. My body's changing. Normally, I would take a brush and add a little bit of highlighter underneath my brows, but lately I haven't been doing that. But because it's just like a simple tutorial for you guys, I'm going to be taking this brush here, also from the same set as this one, my concealer brush. So I'm taking the e.l.f. Shimmering Highlight Powder, the color Sunset Glow. I'm taking that and just adding very little right underneath the brow, just for a little bit of sparkle, I guess, for today. Because I'm not really doing much for eyeshadow. I don't think I'm going to do any eyeshadow today. I think I'm just going to rock this faux natural look. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and skip to doing the rest of my face and then show you guys the finished product in a second. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. You guys can also see more of my lovely face on my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter, and now my new Influencer, which is actually really cool. You guys get to see like in-depth reviews of when I do my makeup and different products that I use, so you guys can totally check that out. I'm more detailed on that than I think I am when I'm actually in the like making a video. So you guys, if you want to like read more about a product that I use or something that I recommend or that I don't recommend buying, or like buy it, spend money, it's a great thing, or don't buy it, don't spend money, it's not a great thing. So check that out. And yeah, I told you guys this video wasn't going to be very long, and if you thought it was going to be longer, I'm sorry. Oh, and little FYI, for those of you who said, why is she filling in her eyebrows? They already look good. Thank you. But for those of you wondering why I do my eyebrows, I do like them because I like them to be like darker to match my hair. My eyebrows are like this weird dark brown, light brown, blackish color. And then when I do like the gel on top, it's actually just a solid dark brown. I just prefer the consistency of the one color and how defined they look. So that's it. Thanks guys for watching. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
Bri'onna Lassiter's really great, really great, really great. Bri'onna Lassiter's really great and deserves the opposite of hate, which is love.